Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update monitoring graphs in TeslaFi for charger efficiency. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update monitoring graphs in TeslaFi for charger efficiency, first, log into your TeslaFi account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Graphs section on the left-hand menu. Click on Graphs to open the graph options. Find the option for Charger Efficiency. Select it to load the charger efficiency graph. If you want to customize the data range, look for the date picker at the top right corner. Click on the date picker to choose your desired time frame. Once you've selected the range, click Apply to update the graph. To view the data in different formats, check the options available above the graph. You can switch between line chart, bar chart, and others as per your preference. To troubleshoot or analyze specific charging sessions, click on the data points within the graph. This will provide more detailed information about those sessions. If you wish to export the graph, look for the Export button at the top right corner. Click on it and select your preferred file format for download. Finally, review the updated graph for insights on charger efficiency. This completes the process of updating monitoring graphs in TeslaFi for charger efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.